wanted to show you something that we came across on the bathroom. And this pantry, that pantry passes through in the bathroom. Right now there's a hole in the wall because that's where the medicine cabinet was. This is the doorway from the dining room to the kitchen where I'm standing. And if we come across here, we will see the door here into, well, it's going to be a pantry. And currently, and we just recently put in to this wall, we put in the rough plumbing for our sink in the bathroom. The bathroom is through the medicine closet hole here, as you can see. So, as you can also see, we have cleaning supplies, we have mops and brooms, we have window washing tools and brushes and things to clean up as we go. And we keep it in this closet. While I'm working on the bathroom, the girls are working on the dining room. Let's go in there and take a little look. As you can see, I've been doing some plastering on the walls. Some of the other videos we have of this actual plaster work. Let's go through the features of the dining room. For one, there are these beautiful doors and trim. All the doors have this doorknob, this door handle configuration, with the escutcheon being Art Deco and the glass knob. The trim, which we are slowly going through the trim throughout the house and getting rid of these nicks and chips. Boy, they give you a lot of character, don't they? But you know, they're gonna go. We'll probably just stain them and not wood fill them because they do have so much character. Again, the doors with the faux wood grain on the inside panel. And these panels, of course, are replicated over here. I'll zoom in and you can see the panels underneath the bay windows. I found a hidden doorway. As I mentioned, I'm working on the bathroom while the others are working in the other room, and one evening I just happened to notice something that I hadn't really seen before, or at least hadn't recognized for what it was. If you've been following our channel, you may have seen in an earlier video that somebody commented on the door that is visible behind the medicine cabinet. And while I'm thinking about it, I would love it if you would take a moment now to subscribe to the channel and like this video. So why do I call this a secret doorway? Well, look at the trim on the side of this door. On both sides of the door, there is original trim. Now, it's been painted, and look, the door handle is there as well, although it's missing the glass knob. So why would somebody put this nice trim on the inside of a closet? Well, because it wasn't always a closet. These hints reveal that this wall, where the sink is attached, and behind the toilet, where we have this cabinet, this wall was not always there. When you look at the back of the wall from inside the kitchen, you'll notice that this is button board instead of lath and plaster that created this wall. That puts the timing around 1948. And the side wall is really just the side wall of the cabinet and a piece of wood that was put here to separate the dead space that is behind the toilet. Well, I guess I'm just embarrassed to say that before we started working on the bathroom, we never really looked around the corner to see this trim. So here's the current configuration, and you can see where the sink is, as well as the closet. You can see the big cabinet on the right next to the window. So now let's imagine what it would have looked like before. As we travel down the hallway, you'll notice that this door is still there. This is the door to the bathroom. And this door is still there. This is the door that goes to the closet. As you can see, originally somebody could walk straight down the entryway, walk through the door into this room, and from there enter the kitchen. We think this was a butler's pantry.